Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Gazing forward, interlock the fingers. Inhale and straighten the arms overhead and the shoulder blades away from the ears. While exhaling, bend to the left side from the waist. Do not lean forward or backward. Inhale and return to the center. Exhale and repeat on the other side. Imagine you are between two walls, so avoid twisting from the chest. When you return to the center, it completes one round. Come back to the starting position. Stand erect with your feet together. Breathing in, raise both your hands up from the front, keeping the knees straight. As you breathe, try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Reach downwards, lead from the mid-back and lengthen from the lower back. As breaths pass, try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Breathe in, lift torso and both hands up from the front. Exhaling, bring back your hands down next to your thighs. Stand straight. Step your feet into a wider than shoulder width position, toes pointed forward. From here, turn the right foot out by 90 degrees and twist the hip to the right while the back foot turns in by 45 degrees. Align the heels. Inhale as you raise the arms overhead in Namaste. While arms are overhead, pull the shoulder blades back and down. Biceps close to ears and ribcage soft. Inhale. Bring the arms down from the side of your hips. Now repeat on the left side. Inhale. Bring the arms overhead in Namaste. Inhale. Bring the arms down and exhale. Come back to starting position. Sit tall on the floor. Sit bones grounded with your legs together straight in front of you and hands on the knee. Bend your right leg, placing the heel of your foot against your perineum and the sole of your foot against the inside of your left thigh. Inhale. Reach the arms up without shrugging. Exhale and hinge forward from the hip towards the straight leg. Hold the knee, shin or toes with both hands as you lead the stretch from the chest. Come back up to sitting position. Bend your left leg and place the left foot just like the right leg. Inhale, raise the arms and rotate torso slightly towards the straight leg. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch the toes. Mid-back should not round excessively. Come back to the starting position. Sit on the floor, sit bones grounded with the legs together straight in front of you, feet relaxed and hands on the knees. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips and reach arms towards the toes. If you cannot reach the toes, hold your shins and ankles and lead the stretch from the chest and not forehead. Keep legs activated and feet flexed and push the heels away from you and try to deepen the stretch with every exhalation. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the starting position and relax. Sit on the floor with your legs outstretched, feet together, keeping your spine straight. Bend your right leg and place the right foot flat on the floor. Cross your right foot over the left knee. Bend your left leg and bring the foot around to the right buttock. Inhale and raise your left hand up and lengthen the side of the body and then cross it over your right knee and place the left tricep against the outside of your right leg. Hold your right foot or ankle with your left hand so that the right knee is close to your left armpit. Sit up as straight as possible using your core muscles. Raise your right arm and wrap it around your waist from the back. Slowly twist your right, simultaneously moving the arm, trunk and head. Do not strain the back. Release your right hand, left hand and then your right leg and left leg. repeat the same movement with your left side. Come back to the starting position. Sit in Vajrasana. Kneel on the knees with the arms at the sides. The legs and feet are separated to make the back bend more comfortably. Inhale here. Exhale. Lean backward and slightly to the right and slowly reach for the right heel with the right hand and then the left heel with the left hand. Do not strain. If you are unable to do so, support your lower back with both palms and then lean back. Return to the erect position by slowly crossing the left arm over the waist first. Come back to the starting position and relax. Lie flat on your stomach with your feet together and your arms and hands beside your body. Bend your knees and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Interlock your fingers around your ankles. Arch your back, lifting your thighs, chest and head together. Keep your arms straight. Come back to the starting position. Lie flat on your back with your legs together. Place your arms beside the body with your palms facing downward. Raise both your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight and together using only the abdominal muscles. Press down on the arms. Engage the abs and lift the hips, rolling the back away from the floor without using momentum. Slowly lower your legs over the head. Keep pushing your hips up towards the ceiling while still trying to touch your toes to the floor behind your head if possible. Do not force your toes to touch the floor. To return, start by lowering the arms with the palms facing down and then slowly lower the back and hips to the floor. Raise your legs to the vertical position. Using the abdominal muscles, lower your legs to the starting position with control, keeping the knees straight. To begin, lie down on your back. Bend your right knee, then your left knee and keep your feet apart. Hold your ankles with your hands. Your heels should touch your hips. Now inhaling, slowly lift your lower back, middle back and upper back as much as you can off the floor. Try lifting your back as high as possible and expand your chest upwards. Be in this position for a few seconds. Release your right leg then left leg. Come back to the starting position and relax. Lie down on your back with straight legs, arms by your side. Bend both the legs and place them hip-width distance. Hold the ankles in the palms to ensure that they are closer to the hips. Take the palms and place them behind the shoulders, ensuring your fingers are splayed open and pointed towards your shoulders. Now, press into both the heels and palms to lift the hip up. To come down, bend the elbows, tuck the chin in, and slowly rest the back of the head on the floor. Then the upper back, mid back, and then the lower back and hips on the floor.